pre-qualify for the following products: an auto loan as well as a personal loan. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. Also, as a reminder that this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another credit union review, and a credit union where you can get a soft pull pre-qualification on either a personal loan or an auto loan. And one of the great things is that it is open to anyone throughout the country. There's no geographic restriction. So in today's video, we're going to be going over Pinnacle Federal Credit Union. Now, Pinnacle Federal Credit Union is based out of New Jersey, but again, they are available to anyone nationwide. Now, they offer check-ins, savings, business accounts, as well as a variety of different loan products, and they also offer some credit cards. Now, in terms of their credit cards, I'm not really going to go too much into that because they are issued through Elon Financial Services. So they're not actually underwriting their own credit cards, but they will be underwriting their own personal as well as auto loans and mortgages. Now, in terms of some of the limits and rates, so their personal loans go up to a maximum of $30,000 with terms out to 120 months, which is 10 years, and rates between 6.99 and 17.99. They also have a check-in line of credit or an overdraft protection line of credit that goes up to $5,000 and as low as 16% APR. Now, in order to be eligible to apply for Pinnacle Federal Credit Union, you will need a government issued ID, driver's license, state ID, or a passport with your current address. You're going to need your complete physical and mailing address, social security number, as well as date of birth. Now, if your employer is not part of the Pinnacle FCU's employer group, or you are not a family member of an existing member, you can still become a member through a partnership with the American Consumer Council. There is no cost to you. So this is going to be the way that most of you are going to be eligible. Now, if you do fall into any of these other categories, you could definitely use this to gain membership. But again, American Consumer Council, if any of you guys been watching any of our videos, we cover a lot of credit unions that utilize the ACC, American Consumer Council, which is a nonprofit advocacy group. Now, if you join through the ACC, it doesn't matter where you are geographically. Now, what I really like about Pinnacle FCU is that they have a pre-qualification on their loan. So you can get pre-qualified in minutes with no impact to your credit score. And you can also check for auto loans, personal loans, as well as debt consolidation loans with a low competitive interest rate, flexible repayment, no hidden fees. Debt cancellation insurance is also available. Now, in order to check your rate, all you're going to do is hit this button right here, get pre-qualified, and it's going to bring you to this screen right here. So some of you might be familiar with this particular type of pre-qualification, and this is of course through Rate Reset, which we've done several videos. This is the same company that's behind the FINOFR pre-qualification, and so they partner with different credit unions to be able to give you a pre-qualification where all you need is to enter in your date of birth as well as your cell phone number. So I'm going to walk you through this process. All right, so it says, congratulations, you've pre-qualified for the following products: an auto loan as well as a personal loan with a total of $10,000, and the $10,000 can theoretically be split between multiple products. So let's just click on personal loan. Now, right here, you have the loan amount, and again, you don't have to accept the full amount. You have this sliding scale where you can adjust up to your maximum amount that you've been pre-approved for. So in this situation, $10,000, and the minimum loan amount is going to be $600. And as you move this up and down, right down here, it'll tell you what your APR is, what the principal balance, the term. So on the right side, you could slide this scale depending on, what type of loan term you want, how many months. So when you have a shorter term, the APR is going to be slightly lower. As you can see, the lower the term, the lower the APR. The longer the term, the higher the APR, as well as the monthly payment. So just keep that in mind. So when you're ready to move forward, you're just going to hit continue. Now on the next page, you are going to enter in some employer information as well as the loan purpose. And you're going to also enter in your driver's license, state ID, as well as the expiration and issue date. And then right down here, this is going to give you a loan summary. So the loan amount, the rate, the term, as well as the monthly payment. And so if you want to proceed, you just confirm right below. All right, so just to recap, so Pinnacle Federal Credit Union is open to anyone nationwide. Now, their credit products are split up. So they do have credit cards that are issued through Elon Financial Services, but they also have personal loans, auto loans, debt consolidation loans, as well as mortgages that are originated by the credit union. So they're underwriting their own loan programs, and you can pre-qualify through a third party called Rate Reset, which we've done several videos before. Now, all you need to pre-qualify is going to be your date of birth as well as your cell phone number. Once you confirm your information and get pre-qualified, you can choose from either a personal loan or an auto loan up to your maximum approved amount. Now, as a reminder, this credit union is open to anyone nationwide, so there's no geographic restrictions as long as you join through the American Consumer Council. That's all I wanted to cover in today's video. If anyone has any comments, questions, feedback, data points, definitely let us know in the comments section down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.